John Sounds here. Today we're showing a 2010 Camaro. We equipped with a Kenwood doubled-in DDX371 radio, which we mounted with the Scosche GM5201AB doubled-in radio mounting kit. Here's a shot of the outside of the vehicle. We'll take you inside, show you what the install looks like. This Scosche radio mounting kit replaces the factory climate controls. As you see on the bottom, you have your hard buttons on the left and right, and that screen is also a touch screen on the bottom. I'll show you a couple features on the radio quickly. Here's the menu. There's that touchscreen LCD climate control. This kit retains all the factory climate controls, which you're going to use by pressing the hard buttons on the side or the touchscreen display. Bring you through a couple screens on this radio. This customer actually brought these parts to us and we did the install for him, but he bought all these parts on his own. Factory lock and unlock still retained. Hazards also retained. And that's the quick little demonstration we have for you. Thank you for tuning in. If you're interested in upgrading your vehicle's radio or audio system, please feel free to contact us.